Hello students. So this video is particularly for class 12 computer science, and in this video I am going to tell you about what is the revised syllabus that has been released by CBSE for the academic year 2020-21. So this will be beneficial for the students who are going to appear in the board exam in the coming academic year, that is 2021. So beta, now we are having the syllabus of the previous class 12th, and I will tell you that what are the portions that have been deleted after the revised syllabus had been reduced. So although CBSE is telling that 30% reduction has been done, but as per my opinion, more than 30% has been reduced. So this may be advantage for you, so that this has become more scoring. Now the subject has become more scoring because some of the difficult topics have been already removed. So let us start the discussion that what was in the syllabus and what is the new syllabus after the revision. So marks distribution is same beta. There is no change in the marks distribution. So earlier we were having in unit 1 revision of basic Python covered in class 11th is there, function is there, file handling was there. Okay, this one is a previous syllabus beta. So these were already there, and if we will see in the deleted portion, text file handling was also there, text file binary file was there. Okay, and then CSV file was there, then how to create libraries, that was also there. But when we will look at this deleted portions, what are the portions that have been deleted? Now see here clearly beta, in unit 1 it has been mentioned that recursion has been deleted. Although this is very important topic and it is related with the function, this should not be deleted, but already this has been deleted from the syllabus. So recursion has been deleted, idea of efficiency has been deleted, and data structure. But here you have to be very careful that data structure has not been deleted. Here you will have option that one question will come from stack and another will come from queue. So you have to choose that which one you want to opt in the exam. So if you want to study both of them, then it is well and good. If you want to study any one of them, then again no problem in that, because you will have option for either to choose stack based question or to choose queue based question. So this has not been deleted. Okay, you can see that in parenthesis it is written that one of the data structure stack or queue. So these two has been deleted. If we will see here, these two has been deleted. Okay, so see here, this recursion is completely deleted, idea of efficiency has been completely deleted. Okay, data structure is there, but either stack will be there or queue will be there. You will have question from both, but in the form of option. Now you have to choose that which one you want to learn. So which one you find easier for yourself, you can go for that one. Then let's come to computer networks. In computer networks, so this one is very vast unit, but only few of the topics have been removed, and that is from web scripting, client side and server side, and e-commerce payment transactions using online banking, mobile banking, payment apps and services. So let us find out where this portion were earlier. Okay, so if we will see here in the last, we are having those topics. So those topics which have been removed are here. So from here the topics have been removed. Now see, the previous topics are still there, only this much have been removed, very less removal of topic from the unit 2. Okay, now coming to the unit 3, let us see unit 3. These things have been removed beta. Now I am telling you that a create table, drop table, alter table, update, set, insert, delete have been removed. So without this bete we can't proceed. So it will be discussed with you that how to create table and how to drop, alter, update, set, insert. Okay, but the questions will not come from this topic, but these are also important thing, we can't skip these things. So it is very clear that question will not come. So but for knowledge you may study these things as well. So this much have been removed from our database, rest of the things are still there, but uh, without knowing to create table we can't proceed. So just for knowledge purpose you have to go through it, but from examination point of view these portions have been deleted. Okay, so this was for the unit database management. And then if we will so that is only the topics that have been deleted. Now if we will see further, interface is still there. If this will be deleted then it will be very easier for you, but don't know why CBSE has not deleted these topics, because students get mostly confused while using this connectivity. Okay, so whatever is done. So I hope you all have clear about the deleted topics for class 12 computer science. So keeping these topics in your mind you can score very well, because it is more than 30% that has been deleted from this syllabus. Okay, so thank you for watching bete.